In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this bowling text animation. Let's create a plane S to scale. We need to add a passive rigid body for the plane. Let's create a UV sphere and add an active rigid body with the animated option checked. On frame 1, let's type I as in India on the location like this to set a new keyframe. On frame 30, let's move the sphere like this, and set a new keyframe. Let's put 30 as the last frame as well. This will be the camera position. Time to add a new text object. I pressed Tab to edit the text. I'll just enter B and Tab to go to object mode. Let's extrude the text, and move the origin to the bottom. Time to convert to mesh. This mesh's rigid body needs to be deactivated in the beginning. There is our bowling animation. Let's add the rest of the bowling text. When a text object gets converted to mesh, it can no longer be modified. We need to add a new text object and copy the rigid body setting from the previous mesh. It's working. I'll show you how to separate a word into separate meshes. Let's create a text that says bowling. We need to convert to mesh. Go to Edit Mode, and press Shift+Z to go to wireframe mode. Select one letter in wireframe mode, and type P to separate. Let's repeat the process. It's working. I'll select all the new words, and type M to put them into a new collection. I'll move them back a bit. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.